afternoon, I'm David Ion, and today I want to show you a product that I put together. These are rechargeable, USB rechargeable lithium AA batteries, and they come with a split cord, so you can plug them into your pickup or anywhere that you have a USB. And I originally designed these for a friend, and he was going through 16 batteries a month in his game camera, and he had several game cameras. So you think about how many batteries you're having to buy. That's a lot, and it gets expensive. So these have about 500 cycles that they can do, so you can recharge them 500 times, and they last a good while, and they work really well for that. Kids toys and keyboards, and I use them in my Apple mouse and keyboard. I use them in my kids' toys, my son's flashlights, all kinds of things. So there's pretty much anything you put a AA in, they work pretty well on. But the cool thing is if you're out at the ranch, you almost all trucks or vehicles have USB on it. So you go check your game camera and plug these in, and they charge about 45 minutes. So you can just if you're driving around or whatever, charge them up and put them back in. So just to show you, we've got some here in the truck. So the lights they'll change colors when they're done, and it's kind of easy to tell, but it makes it simple and you buy a lot less batteries. Yeah, just to show you how easy these are, this is just a standard USB-C. You just plug the batteries in and they start charging, and they'll change colors when they're done. Pretty easy. So we're just driving around the ranch here, charging these batteries up, and we're gonna go put them in a game camera right now. So takes a little while driving around ranches usually, so plenty of time to charge some batteries and record some animals. We're out here at the ranch. We've been driving around for a while. These batteries are charged up in here, so I'm just gonna pull them off, and we're gonna go put them in this game camera here. This is a cell modem game camera, so it burns through a lot of batteries a month. It just lasts about a month. And this one takes 12, this particular one. So it's pretty easy. You just pop the old ones out. Stick there a little bit. Try a pocket knife. There you go. Well, that wasn't easy. Need an easy button for this. There we go. Well, those are old dead energizers, so now we're going to go back in with the Mach lithium batteries and just pop those in. And pop these in. And pop your uncle, that's how it works.